Well, there's been many a vlog of Trewethett Farm Caravan and Motorhome Club site showing the fantastic views, the drone footage and all of that, and it really is a magnificent site. It's well documented. Everybody wants to come here. The cliffs, the scenery, the fresh air, and Tintagel just up the road. How beautiful is that? So how on earth can I compete with the vloggers with drones, special cameras, tripods, all of that, with my Canon G7X Mark II? So I thought I'd start off in the doggy walk. This is going to be a very real ground level look around this campsite. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go for a little walk. It's a bit cloudy today, but this is real life in Cornwall in September 2020. On the coastal path there's a little path down to the coastal path from the site, and you get these beautiful views, and if you're lucky enough you get a front row pitch like one of these where you can soak up the sunsets. Rather interesting style as you continue along the footpath that way. And we come back onto the site here. Now if you like the open field style of camping, there are 3 rows here with campers. Most of them have electric hookup, and then to the edge of the field there's tents and other general camping off-grid, with the main part of the site being on the top of the hill just in front of me here. You come back onto the main part of the site here. These are the facilities for the camping ground. My opinion is that it's not enough. They need to have a brick built toilet block like the others, and another little footpath that leads down to the bottom end of the site. And along here you've got a mixture of grass and hardstand pitches with views. And from up here, that's the kind of view you would get. Some of the pictures, as you can see, are very desirable indeed. And now we're approaching the main toilet facilities. Currently operating a one-way system. Into the left, out of the right hand door. And ladies and gents are left hand and right hand of this building. Extended cleaning periods right now because of COVID. So the wardens, I have to say, are doing an amazing job to keep these places open. There's a very pleasing security system here with barriers with electronic keys for in and out, and a waiting area down there for when you come in. The system they use here is a find a pitch before you pitch. So you have to walk the site, find your pitch, and then come back for your gate key, tell the wardens where you're pitching, and then you go. You don't get stuck in any of the little cul-de-sacs on the site. The information room on this building here is closed currently because of COVID, and there are more pictures over behind that on grass that are stacked, and there's also some front row hard stands as well. And just to the right here is where we're pitched, behind the recycling area. There's our pitch here with Sheila and Joe on the next but one pitch. And as you can see, we've got a reasonable view. We are blocked by one other unit, so we're quite happy with that.